Hi, so we have this status section test and I expanded it. I took an image snapshot at the beginning, then I clicked on the mode buttons, and then I took another image snapshot. So there were two snapshots. So I ran them locally using the command docker run, so that we run in the headless mode so that our images match the images on the CI, and I passed the name of the spec file so that we only generate a single test and generate those files. Okay, so they passed, and let's look at them because we want to make sure that the files are correct before we commit them to the source repository. Notice the first image, status, right? The very first one right here, the status one, looks wrong. It doesn't have a fonts, right? What about the second image? This looks fine, right? So this image that was taken at the beginning of a test where the component just mounted and rendered inside the Docker container might be slower than you'd expect, right? And the fonts did not render yet. Even though we do have a check, right? So we check that the checkbox is checked, right? It's there, it's just the fonts haven't rendered. So when the status check is not enough before you take the snapshot, if everything else fails, just add a wait. So let's add a wait of 500 milliseconds after the component mounts itself, and then we'll take a snapshot. So I will delete those two bad snapshots, and I will rerun the Docker container again. Trying to record video while running Docker and running Cypress inside, it's tough on this old laptop. Let's check the images. Nice. Both images have a text rendered. So when everything else fails, just add a delay. Let the application of a component render itself and then take the snapshot.